gorgeous girl, welcome back to my channel. So home gyms used to be an option, but now they're actually essential for everyone. So currently right now all the gyms are closed. I hope someday that changes, you know, so that we always have options. But you know, we have to adapt, and when things zig, we gotta zag, right? So I wanted to give you my home gym essentials so that you always can get a good workout in, even if you are stuck in your home. So if you're new here, hello, I'm Tracy. I put up brand new fitness, wellness, and lifestyle videos every single week. I don't know why I was like touching my hair like that. That's really weird. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. And for everyone, do click on that bell icon so you always know whenever I have a brand new video that goes live. So listen, you know, I was way ahead of this game. I have been telling y'all to work out at home for like, I don't know, over a decade now. So, you know, dive in, girlfriend. But I want to share with you some of my fave things. So obviously, set of free weights. You know, you can get these on Amazon. I have 2s and 3-pound weights. Actually, I have 1s, 2s, and 3-pound weights in my home. Truly, you know, all the workouts that I do, that is what I use, and we use body weight. So get yourself some free weights. You can do 80 gazillion things with them. Get the whole family involved. They don't have to be cute and pink like this, but that's what I have. So you kind of knew that was coming, right? Second piece of equipment, I would say, everything is pink, I don't know why. This is called a Gertie ball. So these are actually made for little kids, for babies to play with. My Pilates studio, fun fact, I used to rent from a physical therapy studio, and this is what they use with their physical therapy clients, was Gertie balls like this. They're practically indestructible. So I used to use this for my studio for years and years and years. I've had this particular one for years. They don't pop, they don't break, but what's good about them is the texture. It's not like just any old ball that will like slip and it's really hard. This one actually could use a little bit of air, but it's, you know, when you're using it in between your thighs or just for your upper body, using it for, you know, placing it on your low back and doing crunches, this thing is awesome, and it costs like somewhere between like around $8, so you really can't go wrong with this. And trust me, you know, my Transformers and the Transformer tribe, when we start using the ball for ab work, they're like, oh my God. And also for your thighs, it's a killer. It really you can get some great work there. Then fitness loops. Now, I used to be a fan of fitness bands, which I still like. I like them, but I'm, you know, trying to keep it simple for you. If you were gonna invest in one thing, whether it be a band or a loop, I would go for the loops, okay? I love these because they're pre-made. I find that they last a bit longer than the bands do. Bands sometimes will break. These, you know, I've had this pair for a couple years. I use them really frequently, and they just don't rip or tear. Now, at some point, obviously, it's going to, but they're just a little bit more durable. So why I like these, and I'll leave everything linked down below, they have different thicknesses for resistance. So this is the lightest one. I use this one a lot. This is the medium one. I use it probably not as much as I should. And this is the heavy one, and I'm gonna totally be honest, I've never used the heavy one. It's just, you know, it's really, really tight. So light and medium, but you know, usually it comes with all three. So, you know, if you're working out with someone you don't like, you could just give them the heavy one. Like maybe it's your husband or your roommate, or I don't know, whatever you got going on, you could give them the heavy one. But these are great, inexpensive, super portable. When you can leave your house again, you know, you just put them in a bag, and when you're traveling, boop, you got a gym, and it's really going to up the ante. Now, I'm gonna give a call out here. So we have Transformers in the tribe. I think it's Mary Jane, and forgive me if I'm saying, you know, if I'm saying the wrong person, but I think Mary Jane travels with weights. You don't have to do that. You do not have to do that. So Ginny, one of our Transformers, she actually would put sand in water bottles. You could just use water bottles, you could use cans, but always traveling with your bands, and then a ball, deflate it, boom, you got what you need. 2 other pieces of equipment. So these are furniture sliders. Say what? Yes, furniture sliders. Those plastic gliders that are made for working out, I had them in my like old apartment in New York, and I totally scratched up my floors using them. Oops. Luckily it was a rental. So furniture gliders are the best. They're super inexpensive. I think these are extra large ones. I'll leave it linked down below. But these are awesome because, again, they last for a really long time. You are not gonna scratch up your floors, and they're amazing. This is another way to really up the challenge for your workout, especially when you're forced to work out at home. I do not want you doing the same thing all the time. So these are amazing, super inexpensive. Why do I keep doing this? I don't know, but I love them. And you know, for like lunges and sliding and getting like circular range of motion, you can use them, you know, for your hands. If you're in a plank and kind of slide out, you can do all kinds of things with these. So these are awesome. And then lastly, and I don't have it here because I'm in my bedroom and I just didn't feel like getting it, was a mini rebounder. Now, mini rebounders can be really, really expensive, but not the one that I recommend. The one that I recommend is about 40 bucks. You can get it on Amazon. It doesn't use springs. I used to use the ones that use little coiled springs, and they break. And especially if you use your rebounder fairly frequently, they're gonna break, and it's really annoying. So I use one that has like elastic, really heavy duty elastic bands for the resistance. I love my rebounders. Probably one of my favorite workouts, and especially I'm in love with it once again, even more because when I was pregnant, I wasn't rebounding, obviously, and then obviously I had a C-section, so when I was healing from that, so I wasn't on my rebounder for about 1.5 years. So now that I'm back on it, I'm like, ah! So yeah, so I just like, I'm just in love with it. It burns as many calories as running. It's, you know, really good on your joints. It's great for your lymph system. It can help to boost your immunity. I mean, it's really, rebounding is such a fabulous, fabulous form of exercise. And, you know, you're gonna have it. I have one that folds up, you know, so I can just take it out, pull it out. When I lived in New York, it's the same one. You know, you don't have to have it out. If you have a dedicated workout area, that's awesome. But if you're like me and you don't, I just take things out. So what I love about this is all of this stuff and a couple other things, I just put them in a basket in my office. So they're there, my rebounder goes in a closet, and voila, there you have it. So those are some of my favorite home gym essentials. You know, if you cannot get to the gym, this will pass. You will be able to at another point again, but it's really important that you're changing up your workouts. So I have a special opportunity for you. My at-home fitness program, Total Body Transformation, has a very special opportunity for you. So you can click on the link down below this video. And here's what you get inside of Total Body Transformation. You get hundreds of workouts. Every single one is designed and done by me at home. So they're all at-home workouts. They're full-length workouts. So rather than trying to figure out, you know, even if you love my YouTube channel, like, oh, what should I do for this, and piecing together these little 5 minutes, you can get their 15, 20, and 30-minute workouts. We have a couple that are 40 minutes, but usually everything is 30 minutes or less. We give you that calendar designed for you, so you're gonna know exactly what to do. You get our 10-day transformation, and most importantly, you get the Transformer Tribe. High five, Transformer Tribe. It really is the most supportive and amazing. It is the best fitness community out there. So you can join us inside of Total Body Transformation. I will leave the link down below. You know, in the light of current circumstances, normally we have the doors closed, but obviously we're keeping the doors open because I want to help you so that you are feeling healthy, you are feeling strong, and just really living your best life. So that's what I've got for you today. I'd love to hear from you. What is your favorite piece of home gym equipment? Like I said, everything will be linked down below, and we've got this. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Bye!